Ladies and gentlemen, based on the night father I be, you understand, with the control teams, I would run every. Now, in the building with me now, as Clay just said, she just chill, ready for a performance. In the building with me like this, I get one correct guy. He said, now twins, just like me. He own twins na gay, just like my own twins na gay. And he said, another craze person with the phone packaging. But ladies and gentlemen, now also the brother to one of the baddest guy inside the country. I present to you, ladies and gentlemen, K-Switch in the building! Yo. All right, so K-Switch, welcome on top of the late night show.
Yes. Thank you.
Your that intro, we can intro. I see, you did dance that year?
No, I don't dance.
No, but you just show me small skill just now. Let's say true.
Code.
Oh, now the code. Oh, because they enter the vibrato things. K-Switch.
Yes, so.
Welcome, man.
Thank you very much.
Enough work where you don't they do so far.
Oh, Bobby, the hustle is real.
Not be small thing, because as it be like this now, don't say, man, you work enough, plenty work back. This music thing.
They also real, be play.
Not be play now, not play because many of us don't see your journey.
Yeah.
You understand? From way back when with the other set of guys to now where you still
We my men them.
Yes, so.
Them.
Yes, so. So now, K-Switch, what's up? When did it happen so far?
Oh, Bobby. Plenty things they happen.
Enough work on board.
I just still also top two. I want to finish this my album where we don't come.
Because plenty we don't wait time.
Oh, Bobby, I don't work on. I'm seriously conscious. The name now seriously conscious about music.
Seriously
conscious about music.
Now be scam. Hey! No. So we bad like that. You understand? We bad like that.
More give them this and shake. We go first.
So now be the turning thing. Hold on. Cash out. Hey! Easy, don't try also. We don't wicked. What kind of wickedness like that?
Normal level.
So now, scam.
Yes.
So by like when they look say scam, we don't fall out.
I get one waka where the waka na scam tour. Seriously conscious about music tour. Okay. Me and my paddy them.
Yes.
Say I get plenty paddy for this. Me and my paddy them, they don't want to come say make they support the brand.
Okay,
you understand?
Okay.
So Product Republic and DB Records.
Okay.
They do that scam tour. So that if polongo my music, they hear the bedu for anywhere where we never reach. You understand? Promote and talk go.
Yes.
Meet all the DJ for Nigeria. So they go like 12 cities.
For inside Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Okay.
Then we'll go see carry and go enter Ghana, enter South Africa, reach London. Before we can reach that.
Then we made the main.
That's right. Now where you go there?
No, we dead there. Me are the boss self. Me are the boss every. I dey use my tenor skills, If you just drop it now, just give you some kind things. You understand me? You get. I dey wait you like a switch. Just drop it.
It come. Check. Yo. Champagne.
Yeah, we pop it like it.
Cheers.
Joy, boy.
Round up for your birthday.
Yes, especially for my birthday.
Birthday dance.
Yes, now, so it's camp tour now.
Yeah, so this camp tour.
Nigeria and outside Nigeria very soon too. Very soon.
Now 12 cities I they go.
Okay.
Me and my party them from Chikichizi, from my Bondi Banj to Craze, you understand?
Bangley!
Whoa.
I dey show you new one. Now the remix with that. Just the remix. So all of them they carry.
So all of them we at the show with all of them.
Okay.
With be like 12 artists too.
Okay.
We will just introduce for everywhere. Make them know say I know people.
The guys to know now. Not
You're not showbiz.
Life now.
Go show the biz.
Of course, life.
Yeah, so that's just that to promote the music, the album where they come.
Okay.
Just in September. Actually, October 1st, I want to drop on. You know that kind independence.
Don't drop on like it's hot. Boom! You think it all blew everywhere. October 1st vibe and everything.
Yeah. So we down. I just drop one beduna jaburata.
Okay.
You understand? I will say jaburata.
Okay.
The video they come very very soon. Maybe like next week. Now it go show. I'm fresh.
You look yourself, Abi. It sweet you die. I can't feel like I did freshless.
How far now?
No, your freshness can't follow my own the fight. So I don't like all this kind of battle of the freshness. This is not.
But why you do this?
Let me say defend my own this thing now. Why would they clean face that they?
Where you fresh they go?
Me and they fresh. Everybody they fall fresh. Then we fresh die. Fresh. Yeah. All right, someone take case with video. By the time we come back, we'll do some kind of wrapping up things on top of the whole piece. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the late night show. You understand? Now, case we in the building.
Yes, so I see there here.
Case we make I ask you this question now. How a bit to be the kid brother to one of the baddest guys, the Banj?
Yeah,
how the feeling they be?
The feeling, sometimes the feeling.
Because seriously, I look sometimes say, you know, pressure not go down on you.
Oh, Bobby, pressure day, but I know they look that side.
Because no, if not,
I know they look that side because now you won't keep a see.
No,
let's say everybody a human being, you know, but because of the things the band don't achieve, the really, really high things.
Of course.
They use and they ginger me.
Of course.
Anytime when lazy won't just attack me. Just say, oh my God, this guy don't reach that place. Oh,
you know if he sleep.
You know if he sleep. That's why we don't start this camp tour. You know understand? So the movement go there.
It is very important too, very important. Because somehow, like I tell people sometimes, say one person go open road for family.
I tell you.
And you don't get how you want to do and you go past that road.
I tell you.
So if you want to go to say, I want to go and stay on my own and go and try, you will kill yourself.
You cast yourself with
you
that.
Serious casting because one person go launch.
And just make, you know, now God, I thank God, say, you know, as they go, himself they go higher. They go from one camp to another camp, from one, you know, now the future. And he don't teach many things. Not be only myself.
Yes.
Now big brother to, you know, many people within the industry today. Today, where they reign today, where they do everything. So
now one man
I need to emulate her, you know.
Now one guy why I love that. You understand? Both on stage and even to business. No, now heavy business.
The Coco Gary,
Coco Gary.
For your birthday, for don't you understand?
If we carry
drink Gary, they drink sugar.
We go plan now.
Thank you. Ejala, go plan now. Oh yeah, now.
All right. So quickly, lastly now. Yeah. So most of your works now, where you say, okay, fine, this camp tour. This camp tour, yeah. When you say you go start again?
They start this Friday.
By this Friday.
This Friday now, we enter Benin this Friday. Then on Saturday now Warri.
Okay.
From Warri, then the next one na Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt to Obobi.
Because they see you for different parts of the country like this. So they go raise more than they raise cash which they show.
They show.
They show for
all of them. They show.
They launch itself. Boom! You understand? Oh. Now you know, let's say this craze where they happen now because of the twins where we be.
It be like that thing. Be like because like two people energy they enter one.
They enter one. You understand? Your own twin na girl say.
Na girl.
Na she be senior. Be
which one? The one na she come out first. But na me be senior. Na me tell and say me come.
The same thing now we be.
Go and look at the word for me.
Oh.
You understand?
Now we push them go the word. Go and check the word. If you do alright, announcements go come out. We bad like that.
Yeah, but she got my back. Shout out to you. My lovely sister.
Joyce, shout out to you too. I know you got my back. You know, that's how we roll like egg roll. Shields.
Yeah, we will roll like egg roll and sausage roll.
Exactly. All right, K-Sweet. On the final note, now how do they reach you on top of social media?
I'm on normal level. I'm on Instagram. Where the Instagram, if you want to see me, where they, you know, snap my picture. They post them 15. K-Switch. K-A-Y switch. S-W-I-T-C-H. Woo. Then Twitter, you know, like that.
I feel you.
Twitter, I am K-Switch. I get to. I am K-Switch and K-Switch. That K-Switch, I just chill and some people won't be.
Do anyhow with that one. Bad guys.
I just say show. See now.
Go pass now.
I just give you another one. So now that one be that one for Twitter.
Yes.
Where else you now won't catch me? Facebook same na K-Switch.
All right, so they're not here every. So now we jam K-Switch on all those different portals then. Okay, so K-Switch, thank you very much. You follow us inside the late night show today.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I appreciate you and all the craze and every, you understand? So with the popping, I don't know.
We are popping.
So easy beats, can I come out to just use dancing system?